Hi everybody, this is Jennifer. I'm here to teach you how to use the TurnItIn Feedback Studio to listen to and read my feedback on your midterms or other essays that you've submitted through the Dropbox. We'll start at our home page and you'll see the Assignments tab. Click on the Dropbox and you'll see any assignments that you've submitted. There's only one here, the midterm essay. We're going to hit View, and then you'll see all of the data. The Turnitin similarity, your rubric for the essay, and any of my comments down at the bottom. What we're interested in is the Turnitin similarity. So you will click the colored bar and it will open up the paper. This is a fake paper. Well, it's actually a paper I wrote on DBT when I was in graduate school, but we're using it as an example. You will see here that I've written comment. I will write in your papers in the text or at the bottom, and it will look like that in blue. And there's a thought bubble comment box. It will be highlighted in one of 3 or 4 different colors, usually yellow. Click on the thought bubble, and I will have typed something in there to tell you what I thought about that highlighted section. Does that make sense? I hope so. In order to hear what I have to say, you will click on this dialog box over here, just another thought bubble. It will open up a panel to the right, and at the top is a voice comment.
Hi everybody, this is a sample of my voice recording in your feedback.
So I will leave you up to a 3-minute comment in this voice comment section, and usually I'll tell you if I did that in your feedback that you get within the Dropbox, but always check it just to make sure. So again, we'll go over it. Assignments, Dropbox, view your paper, observe all of the comments and the feedback at the bottom. I added a comment to the voice feedback using TurnItIn Feedback Studio. Please view this and let me know if you have any questions. Go up to the top, click TurnItIn Similarity Colored Bar, and then you'll be able to scroll through your paper and read any of the thought bubble comments or blue typewritten comments that I had, and listen to the voice comment. Please let me know if you have any questions, and let me know if this does not work for you right away. Just send me an email and I'll be happy to walk you through it in a different way. Thank you, and enjoy your feedback.